So let's come to third Carnatic War. See, third Carnatic War, again the time period we have to note down, that is it started in 1756 and ended off in 1763. The reason behind this third Carnatic War, the reason is that it was the extension of the 7 years war in Europe. The war which was being already fought between the Britishers and the French, they were already fighting in Europe. और ये जो थर्ड कार्नेटिक वॉर था ये उसी वॉर का एक्सटेंशन था, राइट. सी बिफोर एनालाइजिंग द थर्ड कार्नेटिक वॉर, लेट्स एनालाइज द कंडीशन एंड सिचुएशन ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर्स एज वेल एज द फ्रेंच. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, देखो आप अभी तक हमने देखा कि जो फर्स्ट कार्नेटिक वॉर थी उसके अंदर ब्रिटिशर्स के पास जो उन्होंने फ्रेंच से मद्रास की और पौंडीचेरी की जो वो थी कॉलोनी थी वो ले ली थी. सेकेंड कार्नेटिक वॉर में क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पर भी उन्होंने हैदराबाद और कार्नेटिक की उन्होंने वॉर जीत ली थी और यहाँ पर हैदराबाद और कार्नेटिक का भी एरिया उन्होंने एक्वायर कर लिया था. और इस वॉर के लॉस की वजह से व्हाट हैपेंड दैट द फ्रेंच ड्यूप्लेक्स वर बीइंग कॉल्ड ऑफ बैक टू हिज कंट्री एंड ऑल्सो द फ्रेंच throne, they were not willing to pay any money to French company in India, French East India Company in India. Okay, so on the one hand Britishers were gaining the power, and on the other hand the French were losing the power, and they were becoming weaker and weaker with every passing day. The third and the most important thing that happened to Britishers, which made them most powerful, was the acquisition of the province of Bengal after fighting the Battle of Plassey in 1757 with Siraj-ud-Daulah. Okay, so what happened here, that they fought a war with Siraj-ud-Daulah and they won this war. Who? The Britishers. And after winning this war, they had a control over the province of Bengal. So you can see that the Britishers, they had a control over large area with large amount of land coming in their power, and thus they had more money. Okay, and when this third Carnatic War it broke out, the result was again the same. The French, they were defeated very badly, and Britishers, they were on the winning side. So the aftermath of this, or you can say the result of this war, what happened? French, they have lost all their possessions. Of course, they had two big wars with the Britishers. So that is the first and first, second and third Carnatic War. 3 wars they had. So they lost all their possessions. And the most important thing which happened over here, कि यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, जो फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज़ थी उनसे कहा गया कि अब आप यहाँ इंडिया में सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी फैक्ट्रीज़ को लगाएंगे और आप कोई भी ट्रूप्स नहीं रखेंगे, मतलब आप कोई भी सिर्फ अपने बिजनेस पे ध्यान देंगे और हमसे झगड़े नहीं करेंगे, ब्रिटिशर्स ने कहा. और इस तरह से जो फ्रेंच थे उन्होंने अपनी जो पावर थी वो गिव अप कर दी और ब्रिटिशर्स के you can say that they worked under the protection of the British East India Company, and thus the Carnatic War, it came to an end. And also we can say that it was an end of the French East India Company in India, and after that French became weaker and weaker, and finally they moved out of India. Thank you all. This is done for today's class. We'll meet in next class to see the further chapter. Thank you all. Have a good day.